Let's look at a process of creating a PDF from within a Microsoft Office application such as Microsoft Word. We have three easy options to choose from. The first option is to navigate to File, Print, and then select Power PDF as the printer. This virtual printer can be used by most Windows applications. Check the settings and then click Print. Now select the location to save your PDF and modify the file name if required. Click Save, and a few seconds later our PDF will open in Power PDF. The second way is to select Save As Tungsten PDF directly from the File menu options in Microsoft Word. Once again, we'll be presented with the same options to save the PDF. Select your save location and update the file name if required, and save it. Power PDF opens, and once again we can see our PDF. And finally, we can create a PDF from within the Tungsten PDF menu on the ribbon bar. Simply select Create PDF. As before, we'll be presented with a Save As dialog box. Select your save location and update the file name if required, and save it. The Tungsten PDF ribbon menu is provided in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.